There's a squatch! There's a squatch in these woods! Squatch!
My name's Jess.
Alright, tonight, so we're up here on Watts Bar, and we're gonna go camp on a little private island, and we may do a little bit of catfishing if we can. We'll see if the rockfish are kind of biting, but we're just gonna kick back, put our toes in the sands, relax a little bit, stuff like that. But I just wanted to tell you, with everything going on, I want you to know that you're special, you're loved, people care about you, and don't hesitate to reach out if you need help. Mental, physical, financial, whatever. Lean on someone. We always try and be self-sufficient, but that doesn't mean that we can be. So lean on the ones that you care about. Make sure you're talking to the people you care about. You're freaking awesome. I'm sure you can do anything. I believe in you. I love you. Spread a little love today, and we're gonna kick back and we'll show you our little campsite here in a minute. Bye. Alright, so we've made it to our favorite camping spot. And this is a spot that people camp. Usually have hammocks, so not a lot of people come here because there's not a lot of flat ground. So we've unloaded the coolers, or the stuff, and we're gonna find somewhere up in the woods to camp. But it's nice. We have a beautiful, sunny place away from everybody else, right? Yep. And there's a squatch! There's a squatch in these woods! Squatch!
My name's Jess.
So we're setting up the hammocks, got those set up, and while we were doing that, the dogs were running around. Jess actually found a really neat millipede. Now, millipedes are different than centipedes, and that centipedes will actually usually prey on other insects and things like that, but millipedes are actually detrivores. They will eat plant life and organic matter that's breaking down. So he's not gonna bite me, he's not gonna sting me. And I don't know the exact species of this guy, but he is cool. He's going to town. Now a lot of them spray noxious chemical that's just irritating, usually to the smell, skin, something like that. In the Amazon rainforest, there are certain species of millipedes that will actually put out cyanide, and that cyanide, monkeys will take them and agitate them and rub them on their own skin so that it keeps the bugs away from them. Watch out, Cletus, watch out, don't step on him. You, watch out. Cletus, you stepped right on him. It's not good. Alright, so I've sent my tarp up. Jess actually brought a rain fly, but I stole it from her because I said, you can get rained on tonight and I'm going to stay dry, right? She's tough. So I stole her rain fly.
Not bring one. It's tough.
No, she's not that tough.
What?
She's out here filing her nails.
You want a hangnail in the woods? Come
Yeah,
on now.
I hear you. And Cletus is enjoying the day.
They're sleeping by Jess tonight.
Oh, yeah, right. We'll see. We'll see what it is. Alright, so we were out. We've been kind of messing around, and Jess was messing around with the cast net, but we got the cast net out and we got 4 carp, which, since they're an invasive species, I don't feel bad about, but we may use those for cut bait here in a little bit. But got a few right here. We're gonna kind of weep them right here while we catfish and relax on the riverbank tonight. So, see what happens.
You're kidding.
Alright, so Jess made breakfast burritos for today, and I've been messing with Cletus. Stay. So he's a buried puppy. What are you doing, Cletus? just melt my heart, Cletus.
You're so sweet.